Have you ever wondered, as I have, what the difference is between an attorney and a lawyer? What about those who use the term counsel or esquire? In California's Business and Professions Code, they do use in a few instances lawyer, including members of the California Lawyers Association, part of the State Bar of California. But in California's Business and Professions Code, it is attorneys who are licensed to practice law by the State Bar of California. Now, some folks use the terms attorney, lawyer, counselor, counsel interchangeably, usually to describe somebody who has been trained in the law. In a number of jurisdictions, and I think in general, many distinguish an attorney from a lawyer, as an attorney is one who has passed the state's bar exam and is therefore licensed to practice law in a court of law in that particular state. And it's lawyers who have not taken the bar exam or who are not authorized to practice law. So again, in some jurisdictions in our country, the term lawyer is used for those who have graduated from law school, but the term attorney is used once you have passed the bar and are therefore licensed to practice law in a jurisdiction. Sometimes you might see the term esquire following a person's name, usually in the form of capital ESQ period. But that term only has legal status in the state of New York, from what I can determine. In California, for example, that title doesn't mean, for example, that that individual is licensed to practice law here in the state of California. Sometimes you also see an individual place capital J period, capital D period following their name, which of course is the abbreviation for the law degree Juris Doctor, which is what's earned by someone who graduates from an American law school. A JD degree is required to take a state's bar exam, but that degree doesn't mean someone has taken the bar exam or has passed it and therefore is licensed to practice law in a state. The terms advocate or counsel, I can't find that they have any legal significance in this country. So they seem to be terms that are used by individuals to describe the legal work that they're doing, for example. I also looked at England and other common law jurisdictions. Now, in England, the term lawyer covers the two types of lawyers that they have in common law jurisdictions: barristers and solicitors. So after law school, a barrister takes another year worth of coursework, and then they have a year of tutelage or training in order to be licensed in courtroom litigation. So barristers do the courtroom litigation. It's similar to what in the United States we call trial lawyers or litigators. Solicitors, on the other hand, after law school, they take an additional year-long course, but no tutelage training, and they provide general legal work and legal advice on different topics. They're sort of the office type attorney. So you have a barrister and a solicitor in England and common law jurisdictions. And again, they use the term lawyer to cover both of those. They don't use the word attorney in those common law jurisdictions.